Okay. Yes, children. So write down the first question. And this is adding a 2-digit number with a 1-digit number with regrouping. Regrouping means here you will have carryover also. Okay. Here you will have carryover. Krishika, just raise your hand and tell me, can you see what I'm sharing on my screen? Krishika ji, raise your hand and tell me, can you see what I'm sharing on my screen? Just raise your hand and then tell me so that I'll come to know. Okay, fine. Thank you. Yes, children. So write down that first question. Suppose the number is 26 plus 5. Okay. See, children, we know that this plus symbol means addition. Plus symbol means addition. This symbol is known as plus symbol, and this means addition. You have to add the given two numbers, or you have to combine, or you can say you have to join these given two numbers. Right, children? So what you have to do is, first you have to arrange these given number in vertical form. In vertical form, you have to arrange these numbers vertically. So first write down this question in your book, children. Sorry, in your notebook. 26 plus 5. Write down this. Now, see here. After writing down these numbers in your notebook, what you have to do is, you have to see which number is in ones place and which number is in tens place. Okay? So, your math notebook looks like this. So, first we will write the first number. Here, if we talk about the number 26, in ones place we have 6 and in tens place we have 2. We have 2. So, what we will do, children? In tens place we will write 2 and in ones place we will write 6. Okay, children, keep on writing down in your notebook. Now, after this plus sign, children, you all can see this plus sign, no? After this plus sign, what is the number? Number is 5. Number is 5. So what we will do? We will write that 5 below the 6. And why we are writing this 5 below the 6? Because in 5, we have only one digit. And we know that if there is a one digit number, it is always in ones place. So that's why we are writing this 5 below this 6. And then what you have to do, children, you just need to put a plus sign. You just need to put a plus sign here. Okay. Now what you will do, you will draw a line here. Below this 5, you have to draw 2 lines here. Right. Now, children, you have to start counting after the 6. You all can see 6 is here, right? You have to start counting after 6. And how many fingers you can take out? 5. Because here down number is 5. So you will take out 5 fingers. Right, children? So start counting after 6. Okay. So I'll count 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So now see here, children. 6 plus 5 is 11. So, okay, just look on your screen, children. 6 plus 5 is 11. I'm writing here 11. Okay, see here now. If I talk about number 11, we know that this one is in ones place and this one is in tens place, right? So, what we will do, children, we will write this one in ones place here below this 5, and this one we will write as carry over below this, sorry, above this T. You all can see here T is written, no, and this T represents tens place. So what you will do, again I will repeat, the number is 11, no. So this one which is in ones place, we will write here below this 5, and the one which is in tens place, we will write that one as carry over above this T, that is tens place. Okay. So now, children, what you will do? Now you have to add the number in tens place. Now in tens place, what do you have, children? You have this 1 here and 2 here. So you have to add this 1 and 2. You have to add this 1 and 2. Okay. Now children, 1 plus 2 is how much? After 1, start counting 2. After 1, 2 and 3. Right? So we will write here 3. So the answer is 31. Answer is 31. So children, write down 31 in your notebook. So if we will add 26 plus 5, we will get 31. 31. Okay. Lohit, do you have any doubt?
No.
Okay, okay. Okay, children. I'll give you one more example now, and please keep on noting down these questions in your notebook. Okay. Now, second question is, I'm writing here. Second is 32 plus 8. Children, please write it down in your notebook, and your handwriting should be neat and clean. Now the question is 32 plus 8. Okay. So what you will do? First, you will arrange these numbers vertically. Okay. First, you have to arrange these numbers vertically. So for that, again, first we need to see which number do we have in ones place and which number we have in tens place. Right? So again, I'll make here boxes like this. Right? So see here, children. First number is 32. First number is 32. Right? So we will write that number 32 here. And we know that in tens place we have 3. So below this T we will write 3. And in ones place we have 2 here. So we will write here 2. Then after plus sign the number is 8. And we will write down this 8 below this 2. Below this 2 because 8 is also in ones place. And then we will put plus sign. Then we will put this plus sign. Okay. Yes, children. Akshaya, Lakshmi, why you are not writing? Number is 32 plus 8. Okay. So now children, always remember one thing. Whenever we have to add two numbers, we always start adding number in ones place. We always start adding the number in ones place. So here in ones place we have 2 and 8. We have 2 and 8. So what we have to do is, children, we have to add this number 2 and 8. So now 2 plus 8 is how much? So after 2, children, take out your 8 fingers. Take out 8 fingers and start counting after 2. Okay? After 2, start counting. 3. Children, I want to see your fingers. And I can see you all. Advaita, Suprati, Kartika, Adya, Akshaya, Lakshmi. Yes. Show me your 8 fingers. Show me your 8 fingers. Yes, Aslan, tell me. Do you have any doubt, Aslan? Aslan, you are raising your hand. Do you have any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aslan, tell me.
Ma'am, we have to write these all questions.
Yes, you have to write down these questions in your notebook, Aslan.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now you can mute yourself. Zed, do you have any doubt? Zed, you were raising your hand. Do you have any doubt? Zed, you were raising your hand. Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, Zed. So if you don't have any doubt, then tell me 2 plus 8 is how much?
10.
10. Very good. Very good, Zed. Now you can mute yourself, Zed. See, children, you have to take out your 8 fingers and you have to start counting after 2. Count after 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right? And here, children, your answer is 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. So what you will do? You will write only this 0. You will write only this 0 in one's place. Okay, so you will write the 0 in one's place, and this 1, which is in tens place, this 1 will go as carry over. Okay, we will write this 1 as carry over. So now we in tens place we have two numbers here, this 1 and 3. Now we have to add this 1 and 3. Kartik and Allah, you tell me 1 plus 3 is how much?
4.
4. Very good, Kartika. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So answer is 40. 40. 40. 40. Children, write down the answer in your notebook. Answer is 40. 40. Okay. Okay. Now we'll write down the next question. Children, write down third question. That is 43 plus 9. 43 plus 9. Write down this question, children. 43 plus 9. Again, children, you have to see what is the number in ones place and what is the number in tens place. Here in ones place we have 3 and in tens place we have 4. Now if we talk about the number 9, that 9 is a one digit number. So it is in ones place. So again in tens place we will write down 4 and in ones place we will write down 3. Then after plus sign we have a number 9 here. So below this 3 we will write 9 and we will put a plus sign here. Okay. Now you have to add 3 and 9 together. So you have to tell me 3 plus 9 is how much? Adya, Gujja, you tell me 3 plus 9 is how much, Adya? लेकिन हमें क्लास कब तक कितने बजे तक लेनी है?
11. Ma'am, 11.
Wrong, Adya. Count again.
9, 10, 11. Ma'am, 12, ma'am.
Very good, Adya. 12. Okay, Adya, very good. So children, we will write here 2 and okay, number is 1 to 12, right? So we will write only 2 here in ones place, and this 1 which is in tens place, it will go as carry over. Okay, children? Now this 1 plus 4 is?
4 plus 1 and
Advaita, you tell me 1 plus 4 how much?
5. 5, ma'am.
Yes, this 1 plus 4 is 5. So the answer is 40. Sorry, answer is 52. 52. Okay? And now children, listen to me. Tomorrow you have your online test, okay, of all the subjects. So in math, what you have to do is whatever I have taught you this week till now, you have to do practice of all that, okay? Whatever I have taught you this week, you have to do practice of that, and that will come in your test. And today you all have your online test. Okay, children? Now your ICT teacher is here. She'll talk to you. सबका म्यूट करो एक बार, I mean unmute करो.